Welcome to American Literature. In the last classes, we were discussing literary terms related to American literature. We have discussed antebellum and postbellum of America, Puritanism in America, Transcendentalism, and in the last class, we were discussing American Romanticism or American Romantics. Today, we are going to talk about American frontier. So, first of all, let us discuss the word frontier. A frontier is the political and geographical area near or beyond a boundary. A frontier can also be referred to as a front. The term came from French in the 15th century with the meaning borderland. The borderland is the region of a country that fronts on other country. In United States history, the advancing border that makes those lands that had been settled by Europeans, it is characterized by the westward movement of European settlers from the original Atlantic coast. This westward movement took place between 17th and 19th century. The word frontier has different meanings in different countries. In Europe, it refers simply to a boundary between nations. In North America and other parts of the world colonized by the Europeans, however, frontier has taken on other meanings. It refers, in some cases, to the arrival of European societies and cultures and their gradual intrusion into North and South America, Africa, and Asia. In the United States, the frontier has assumed a much deeper significance. In US, popular culture has been the setting for the tales of high adventure, extraordinary feats of daring. In fiction, motion pictures, art, television, and other media, the national character has having been gone through the trials and triumphs of life on the frontier. You can read more to learn about American frontier. Thank you.